Hello friends, welcome to the channel Nifty Wizard, and today I will tell you how I made a profit of 60,000 in intraday. So today I traded BankNifty and I will share you the analysis. So if you have watched my yesterday videos, so I told you that yesterday I took a trade in Tata Motors because the Nifty Bank was acting sideways. Okay, so I told you yesterday that market was coming down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up, and like that. So it was totally sideways. All right, so as you all know, before the market starts, I used to mark the zone areas. So what I saw, if you, this is yesterday's chart, it's 8/12, mean 12th of August. Okay, so if you see here, what I observed, that this whole zone area, like the whole day, acted as a zone. Let me grab the rectangle. Yeah, so from this area to this area, it was acting as a just a minute, from this area to this, it was acting as a sort of zone. Okay, all right, this one. So this was acting as a zone. Now point number 2. So if we see on yesterday, so Nifty Bank already broke it yesterday, like it broke this zone on 310 yesterday. Okay, so today when I was looking at it before the market opens, so what I did, first I connected this. I saw one thing, which is this trend line. If I connect this point to this point to this point, so we have 3 touch. All right, the first touch is here, the second touch is here, and third touch is here. All right, that was third confirmation. So let me clear the drawing again and I will draw a fair one. That is line. If I join this to this was the trend line, and at this point it was the third touch. Okay, also where is the rectangle? Yeah, so this was previous day high at this point. This was the previous day high, so I will mark it with a zone and I will extend it throughout the today's session, although it was broken yesterday itself. So can you see what market is trying to do? Can you see it? Can you see, guys? Market just was wandering around here, then broke the zone and came up today, and then came back to retest it at this point. All right, so when you see this, this was the first touch, this was the second touch, and this was the third touch. That was number 1 reason. Number 2, market broke the zone and came back to retest the zone. So this was area of confluence because there was a zone area and also the trend line, support of the trend line. These were 2 reasons. Now coming to the point 3. So the third reason was, if I draw the Fibonacci from the latest swing low to the latest swing high, at this point, so you know I take the trade on a smaller time frame, so let me switch to 2-minute time frame. So if you see at this point, that is 141 candle, you will see we have a rejection, a pin bar formed just on trend line. There was a zone area and also a support of Fibonacci, that is 38.2% level. So then I was quite sure that I could take my entry. So once I see this pin bar candle and then a green candle, I placed my order. So let me remove this drawing first. So I will mark my entry in green as you know. So exactly at this point, that is this candle, the candle of 143 was my entry, so I have marked this in green, and my stop loss was just below the swing low. So if you measure the difference between my entry and my stop loss, that is around 60 points. All right, so my ideal target should be at least 2 times of the stop loss area, which is 120. So I booked my target profit here at this candle, this one, at this 230. Okay, why I booked that? Because if you see, there was a resistance. All right, the resistance of day high. It was the day high at this point here. Let me zoom in. So if you see, this was the day high, so I plan to place my target at just this point. So that was my target. All right, so if you measure my risk reward, then my risk was somewhere around 60 points, and against that my target was 200 points, almost 190 points. Okay, that was all for today. I will attach my PNL report within the video, and friends, please make sure to subscribe my channel if you learn something with my efforts. Okay, thank you. Have a great day and a trading journey.